No, nakakabahala po yung balita po lumabas ngayon sa periodiko at saka in some other articles na meron po kayong nahuling tatlong mga Pilipino po no na sinasabi po ay naging espiya at ang method na ginamit po nila itong Tetris na isang gaming app. Paano po ito nahuli at paano po natin maiiwasan po yung or makikita kung sila po ay nagiging espiya na po para sa China in this case?
Okay. The AFP, DND, at the onset of GADSI, this led to concretizing our efforts to protect the organization from all threats, inside and outside, which led to the Insider Threat Program. Yung Insider Threat Program is designed to red flag certain individuals, certain practices that would expose our vulnerability. So because of the ITP, may lumabas na itong apat nga na personalities, Lawrence, Allison, Charles, and Danny.
Oo.
Na nakita natin at after thousands of hours of work, man-hours, we approached them. Cooperative naman sila, nag-confess sila. They are now under AFP control. And because of this, nakita natin na merong espionage efforts linked to the People's Republic of China dito sa kalagitnaan natin.
Okay. May follow-up question po doon, Admiral. No? Sabi nyo nga, kasi naglunsad na kayo nitong Insider Threat Program. Were this, si Lawrence, Allison, Charles, and Danny, were they acting already suspicious? That's why you zeroed in on them? Meron na ba silang pinakitang parang unusual, kaya po sila po ay inyong natuklasan na sila po ay nag-engage na sa espionage efforts?
Yeah. Allow me to say it this way, Ricky and Pat, there are certain red flags that the program would help detect.
Okay.
This could probably involve or include changes in behavior, lifestyle patterns, and other activities that would indicate a person is involved in nefarious activities. So, marami naman itong mga sinasabi natin, parameters para ma-red flag natin. Hindi pa naman automatic pag na-red flag suspect yan or spy yan. But it would give us more reason to narrow down our search. And yun ang nangyari. Because of the program, may lumutang. And then, it also includes the reporting system. May mga nagre-report din.